Okay, so why ISRO? Why not others organization?
And ISRO is a leading space agency in India, and
Hmm.
it is a research-based organization, and their missions and the results inspires me to work for ISRO, and I am also willing to work for the research organization only.
Have you worked before anywhere?
No, ma'am, I am not worked anywhere, but I have done masters.
You have done masters. Yeah, all right. Okay, please talk about your strength and weaknesses. Like, what are strength and what are weaknesses? How are you
And my
suitable for this organization?
and my strengths include patience, optimistic, and optimistic, and discipline. And my weakness include I am less fluent in speaking English, and I am continuously working on it. And second one is I am indulging into the task until I feel satisfaction. That's it.
All right. All right. And talk about your hobbies. What are your hobbies, Priyanshu?
And my hobbies include watching and playing cricket, and listening Hindi and Urdu poetry and couplet also.
Do you think reading is a good hobby?
This time reading is a good hobby.
Don't you like
In
reading?
regard this
You don't like reading?
I like reading.
What type of books do you read?
And generally, I'm reading only technical books and Hindi, Urdu, Shairi, couplets.
So do you always likes to read the technical books like that, right?
Technical or novels I don't like, but I interested towards couplets and Shairi.
All right. All right. And what makes you different from others? Like how you are suitable or like how you are different from others? If I have to hire you.
Yes, I am a optimistic person. I have A graded throughout my academics. I
Hmm.
have master's degree along with my bachelor's also.
Hmm.
I have researched in my MTech thesis also, which is suitable for the company organization. And my MTech thesis is related to 3D printing. And ISRO in May 2024 has recently tested one 3D printed liquid engine. So
Then
my
you
skills
have
are
done your
correlated
master's.
to it. Yes,
All
ma'am.
right. You have done your master's, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So, like, why don't you try for the private jobs or like that? Why don't you try for any research work or any project assistant or like because you have done your master, so you had a lot of time in this time, so you can get a good experience or like something like that. So why why you don't try
Because
for that?
and that I have opportunities after my age gets over for working in the organizations like ISRO.
Hmm.
So I'm firstly my first focus is to get into the ISRO, that is leading research organization in space technology.
Okay, compare government jobs and private jobs.
And in government job there is a lot of transparency in the system
Hmm.
regarding promotions and all.
Hmm.
And when there is a good work culture
Hmm.
in government job,
Okay.
and
Okay, Priyanshu, when was ISRO founded? In which year ISRO have been founded?
and ISRO is founded in 1969. Previously, it was previously it was in 1962. It was Indian National Committee for Space Technology, Space Research.
All right. And which was the first satellite which has like ISRO has been launched?
Aryabhatta is the first satellite ISRO that launched.
And who is the founding father of ISRO?
Mm, Dr. Vikram Sarabhai.
All right. All right. Okay, so Priyanshu, what is like your mission and vision? Like where you see yourself after 10 years?
And I see myself to be working as a scientist in ISRO and
Hmm.
learn to the various tools and technologies which are I have, if selected, got to learn in the training period, and
Hmm.
contributing towards the minor project. And
Hmm.
from my performance based on the minor project, I my target is to get into the big projects like Chandrayaan 4 or Gaganyaan.
All right. Priyanshu, do you have any regret in your life till date?
Yes, ma'am. One regret is there. I was passed out in 2022 July, and
Hmm.
my target is to get a good rank in GATE 2023 in
Hmm.
mechanical. But unfortunately, due to negative marking, I was not able to get good rank. Though it was 2500, but not sufficient to get job. So that was my regret, and that inspires me to get good rank in this year. So I got 255 rank this year.
Okay. If you have to summarize your personality in one word, then what would you say?
And I would say optimistic.
And you are a fresher, right? So I have a lot
Yes,
of
ma'am.
candidates who are experienced one. So why should I hire you?
Um, Fresher comes with a free mind, flexible mindset. It can be molded in the any group or any what the organization want,
Hmm.
and it is open to work in any team regarding what he is suitable for.
All right. Priyanshu, like, what is the main purpose of NAVIC system?
What, ma'am?
What is the main purpose of NAVIC system? NAVIC.
Sorry, ma'am. I'm not.
All right. All right. Okay. And what you have achieved till date? Like, what is your biggest achievement, basically?
And my biggest achievement is to crack written examinations of the research organizations like BARC and ISRO. And I've given interview two times in BARC but not selected. Hopefully, I'm getting chance to get an interview by ISRO. So I think this would be I would make into the final list.
All right. Okay, all right, Priyanshu. I would like to say that जो basic questions हमने last HR में practice किए थे वो आपने ठीक बोले हैं, ठीक है? That you know
Yes,
that
ma'am.
exactly you know that you know what you have to say basically, right? Intro ठीक है, everything is fine, ठीक है? ऑल राइट, बट आपको थोड़ा सा काम करने से मिशन और विजन वाले क्वेश्चन में लास्ट टाइम भी आपको मैम ने भी बताया था और मैंने भी बताया था, है ना? मिशन इज योर शॉर्ट टर्म गोल, ठीक है? और आफ्टर 10 years यू नेवर नो व्हाट इज गोइंग टू हैपन, राइट? बट आप आफ्टर 10 years उसको कुछ ज्यादा ही एक्सेप्ट करोगे, है ना, एक्सपेक्ट करोगे बेसिकली, ठीक है? तो आप ये बोल सकते हो माई शॉर्ट टर्म गोल और माई यू नो लाइक आई हैव अ मिशन टू बिकम अ साइंटिस्ट or like that in ISRO, something like that. And after 10 years, I want that you know that I would be famous, like I would be the best scientist in ISRO, so that everyone knows me, you know, जैसे अब डॉक्टर विक्रम साराभाई को हम सब लोग जानते हैं कि ही इज द फाउंडेड फादर ऑफ ISRO, ठीक है?
Yes,
तो वैसे आप भी चाहोगे कि मुझे भी कोई ऐसे जाने।
yes, ma'am.
ऑल राइट, बाकी सब ठीक है। अगर आप रिग्रेट की बात करो तो जो हम छोटे छोटे झूठ बोलते हैं वो भी आपका रिग्रेट होता है, ठीक है? तो ऐसा नहीं है कि रिग्रेट हमेशा एकेडमिक से ही बिलोंग करेगा या कुछ है। आप थोड़ा पर्सनल उस पर मतलब पर्सनल इन द सेंस थोड़ा सोशियोलॉजिकल या साइकोलॉजिकल फैक्टर भी बोल सकते हैं, ठीक है प्रियांशु? उस पर थोड़ा सा ध्यान
Yes,
देना।
ma'am.
अब आपको ऐसा ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको बिल्कुल नॉलेज नहीं है इसरो की वेबसाइट की या फिर कुछ, वो आपको पता है, बट कुछ चीजें आपको पता होना चाहिए। जैसे मैंने आपसे पूछा कि पर्पस क्या है नेविक सिस्टम का, दैट इज रीजन सेटेलाइट, यू नो, रीजन सेटेलाइट नेविगेशन सिस्टम होता है बेसिकली, जो नेविगेटर, ठीक है? तो वो आपको थोड़ा सा पढ़ के आना है कि फुल
स्पेलिंग
फॉर्म्स क्या
ज्यादा है,
होता
एक बार चेक कर लूंगा मैं।
है। हाँ, मे भी हो सकता है, एक बार चेक कर लो, ठीक है? चेक कर लेना। बाकी ऐसे कुछ कुछ प्रोजेक्ट्स के बारे में बताओ, कुछ आपको पता है चंद्रयान 2 ये वो, है ना? बट कुछ
यस,
लेटेस्ट
मैम।
भी आप चेकआउट कर सकते हो, ठीक है? कि पहला ल्यूनर प्रोजेक्ट कौन सा था, ये सारे क्वेश्चंस आप कर सकते हो। ऑल्सो हॉबीज पे है, तो आप बोल रहे हो कि यस मैम हॉबी गुड रीडिंग इज अ गुड हॉबी और लाइक दैट, आई यूज टू यू नो that read that kinds of books or something, technical books or something, I don't like to read novels or like that। ठीक है, वो आपने थोड़ा सा ध्यान रखना है बेसिकली। वो आपने थोड़ा सा ध्यान रखना है प्रियांशु, ठीक है। टेक्निकल आपका अच्छा है, ठीक है, लेकिन उसको स्ट्रॉन्ग करना है, क्योंकि एट द एंड
Yes,
पर्सनैलिटी
ma'am.
इज वन थिंग, एक्सप्रेशन थोड़े लेके आने हैं, कॉन्फिडेंट दिखना है अपने स्पीकिंग में, अपनी थोड़ी बोल्डनेस लेके आओ कि यस यू आर कॉन्फिडेंट, यू हैव एन एटीट्यूड टू स्पीक लाइक दैट। ऑप्टिमिस्टिक, थोड़े सेंटेंस फॉर्मेशन को ठीक करना है। आपने बोला कि यस लाइक आपने बोला कि व्हाट मेक्स यू डिफरेंट, लाइक आई एम ऑप्टिमिस्टिक, आई एम डेडिकेटेड, तो आप उसको सेंटेंस में बोलो, ठीक है। Mom, as such, I'm also a human being or like that. I have a like I'm very strongly dedicated towards this organization because I have a I eager to work in that organization, something like that. I'm very hardworking, dedicated personality. Also, I have a optimistic attitude. Optimistic attitude आएगा या फिर आप बोलो I love to being optimistic. I like to, ठीक है। तो वो थोड़ा सा सब्जेक्ट पर बैकग्राउंड, वो सारा कुछ आपने थोड़ा चेक करना है, ठीक है, कि अगर आप बोल रहे हो तो अपने एक्चुअल में एस ई एस सिंगुलर प्लूरल का थोड़ा ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा ना। ऑल राइट
Yes,
प्रियांशु,
ma'am.
इन चीजों का थोड़ा ध्यान रखना है। ऑल राइट, पहले से बेटर था, जो फर्स्ट इंट्रैक्शन थी उसमें बेसिक्स आपको कुछ क्लियर नहीं थे, अब वो सारी चीजें क्लियर है। बट जो मिशन विजन वाला क्वेश्चन है ये इंपॉर्टेंट है, इसको प्रॉपरली याद रखना है, ठीक है। टेक्निकल क्वेश्चन है, डेट्स ईयर है, वो थोड़े बहुत आप रीड कर सकते हो, थोड़ा बहुत गूगल से सर्च आउट किया करो, है ना।
Yes,
तो वो
ma'am.
सारी चीजें आप वो कर सकते हो। ऑल राइट प्रियांशु,
Okay.
ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट, सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट सेशन, ओके।